So let's look at number 5. So number 5 is sharing profit and loss where there is interest on drawing. So now there's an inclusion of interest on drawings, where a part of your profit will be added, a certain amount will be added into your total amount of profit, then we will only distribute it. Because we have learned how to deal with interest on capital, so now let's just figure how we deal with interest on drawings. So it says here, Keith and Louis are partnership sharing profit and losses equally. Partners agreed that the interest should be charged on drawings at 12% per annum. It means that if you have drawn out a certain amount, doesn't matter whether it's cash or doesn't matter it's purchases or inventory or take goods for business, from the business for private use, that amount will be charged 12%. So to be fair to all partners, any form of drawings will be added into the profit as an additional sort of revenue for the business, or at the same time to discourage drawings. So Keith and Louis took 19,000 and 11,000 respectively. So they asked us to calculate how much interest on drawings, how much is Keith interest on drawings. So just take this equal to 0.12 multiplied by 19,000. And then for B, that's Keith has to pay 2,280 in terms of interest on drawings. And then this one will be 0.12 multiplied by 11,000. So this is the amount that Louis have to pay. Okay, Louis needs to pay 1,320, Keith needs to pay 2,280. So now, we need to calculate how much shares. So in terms of the concept-wise, we can actually do it because they are supposed to share it equally. So on the concept-wise, what we can do is that we just take the total amount of profit for the year. The profit for the year is 24,400, and we just need to add the drawings or interest on drawings. So we just need to add these two things, and then we can see how much will be distributed. This plus this plus this. Then we know we need to distribute 28,000 equally. So Keith will get this amount divided by 2. Louis will get this amount divided by 2. This amount divided by 2. So they get 14,000 each. But if you want to do it in our appropriation account, how do you want to do it? So I'll just show it to you here. Profit or loss appropriation account. First, we have profit for the year. So we can see we have 24,400. Need to add interest on drawing. So we have T. So you need to show your working here, which is 12% of, or you just need to show your multiplication, 12% of 19,000, which should be equals to 2,280. And then Louis will be 12% multiplied by 11,000. We will get 1,320. So the total will be here. So this plus this. So this we need to add them together before distributing the profit. So you can take this plus this is equals to this amount. And then we need to share residual profit. Share them equally. So he says that you take 50%, you can just write half if you want to. 20,000. And then Louis half 20,000. 10,000, 14,000 is 28,000 here. And you can see it's the same amount. Okay? That's how you do it. So if you're supposed to do both together, then you just add this portion into this portion here. Here, this part is where interest on drawing will appear. I'll just highlight this like blue in color. This is the part where interest on drawing will appear. So we need to add it, then subtract this, then we get this amount, then only we distribute the residual profit.